Hi, I'm Kristen Baraboo, owner of Bend Beyond. Today's posture is tree pose. It's important to note right away that the gauche variation of tree pose is a little different than the tree pose you may have practiced in other yoga classes at other yoga studios. Tree pose here is practiced with the heel high up on the front of the thigh. This is like a standing half lotus posture and is used to open up your hips and prepare you for full lotus someday. Tree pose generally comes at the end of the standing series and is a great opportunity to allow your heart rate to come down, your breath to quiet before you lie down in Savasana. Tree pose is a great spinal traction pose and improves posture and balance. It improves flexibility and mobility in your ankles, knees, and hips and can help alleviate lower back pain. It's a very grounding posture, and as you push your standing foot into the floor and stretch up through the crown of your head to the ceiling, allow your breath to quiet and a sense of calm to wash over you. Form is key, so let's take a closer look. Tree pose, Tadasana. Focus one spot from the very beginning to help with your balance. Grab your right foot from underneath the pinky toe side of the foot and lift the foot as high as possible. Remember, the gauche tree pose is like a standing half lotus pose. Bring the heel as high as you can, always being careful with the knee. If you have tighter hips or knees, the knee may stick forward quite a bit, and that's okay. Over time, as your hips open, the hips stay same place and the knee can gently drop back, someday 2 knees in one line. Right hand up in front of your chest. And if you can balance, you can bring the left hand up. If the foot slips though, continue to hold the foot. A common misalignment we see here is lack of engagement in the standing leg, the glutes, and the core, letting the hip come off to the side and collapsing a little bit at center. Always press down through your standing foot, engage your standing leg, locked out knee, and find a little bit of a side squeeze in your glutes, lifting your pelvic floor, pull your stomach in, and this will keep your 2 hips in one line, 2 shoulders in one line. Avoid hunching the shoulders up towards your ears. Instead, let them relax down as you stretch up through the crown of your head. Let's take another look from the side view to see another common misalignment. It's very common to lose the neutral spine alignment as you try to go into the posture. We call this duck butt. As the hips go back behind you in order to keep the foot up high and lift both hands. Notice the overarching in the lower spine. If this is you, stretch your tailbone down towards the floor, pull your navel in towards your spine and a little bit up under the lower ribs. This will bring your hips right underneath you for a beautiful straight spine in this amazing traction posture. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and we hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.